Hello, I'm in a 2015 Buick Encore, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your date and time for your interface. So first, you'll start the vehicle so everything's loaded. And then from here, we'll do this configuration button. So right there. And then we can scroll with this and then push it as a button to select time and date. And then here you can automatically sync it if you want. So we can select that. Or if you want to manually adjust things, we can now scroll down to time. And then just up or down as needed on your hours, push to go to the minutes, up or down, and then AM or PM here. And then we can go back to the previous screen and then set your date. It's the same process, just up or down as needed, and just keep selecting through to change each as you need it. And then this back button, and then you can switch it to a 24-hour display if you'd prefer, or just keep it on the standard 12-hour. But that's it. I hope this is helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day.